Alright, I'm working on a long 360 today, or for our friends in Europe, UTB, I believe 350. Yeah, U-350. This tractor's been sitting for, I have no idea how long. Bought it at an equipment sale. They were selling all their old junk. Got this. It wasn't a whole lot. I have no idea if it runs or why it's been sitting. But first things first, I cleaned out the fuel filter, or took it off. Look at that this old nasty thing. And I was dripping on my nice camera stand, and it'll smell like diesel for eternity. Anyway, we're going to replace that with this. And it's very simple. I didn't film taking it off, but this is basically all it is. Filter. And on these long tractors, at least, a glass bowl. These have O-rings in the middle. And then here, which, at least for this kit, this 711-296. I believe it's CAV296 as well. Anyway, it does not come this right here or this, the drain screw. This might only be a long type filter. I don't know. I'm not really big into tractors. So anyway, I made these out of cork. And to put this on, you put this whole setup right here into here. Not to forget, which I already did, there's a little itty bitty O-ring up in here. O-ring right here. It comes with this filter. Hopefully it fits it. And it does. All right. What business. So. Oh, drop my O-ring. Hope they fit. I'm not exactly certain how this goes. All right. So this up right now. Like that. I'm going to hold it. Probably if you had some Vaseline or something, it would help. I wouldn't use wheel bearing grease because it may never ever come out. I don't know. I can remember how diesel does wheel bearing grease. There you go. And of course, if at all possible, put it to where you can read the frickin' filter. Because nothing bothers me more than having to unscrew a filter to realize what the filter is. All right. So this tractor has two filters, and the amount of sediment I got out the bottom was shocking, so I figured it was a good time. Like that, something like that. And there's a little bolt, which has a copper washer on top, and it probably ought to be changed, but I don't have any right now. This is a Saturday at about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, so there you go. And take your trusty gear wrench, 10 millimeter of course, and gently snug it up. Remember people, this is glass on top of like a hollow steel tube full of paper. Don't need to go crazy. Crank it down there maybe. Nope, there you go. And so gently snug that in, and there you go. I'll bring you back if we get it started. We're close to it.